Okay, so we have a graph paper and we'll just draw in some axes here real quick. And there's an x-axis and there's a y-axis. And what we'll do is we'll spread this out a little bit. So every 2 boxes we'll make 1. And off we go. Now we normally start off by thinking about the base quadratic. And so that means the minimum would be right here. And then if we go over 1, 1 squared is 1. And if we go over to the left, negative 1 squared is also 1. And so our base quadratic graph would look like that. Now we'll just draw it with dotted lines. It's not our final answer, but it's a starting point. And so we stop and we look, okay, reflections. We do not have a negative sign out front, so there is not a reflection. So it will maintain that U shape there. Perfect. Next, compressions, expansions, and we look at the number out front, and we recognize that as 2, or our vertical expansion by 2. So that means when we go over 1, instead of going up 1, we go up 1 times 2 is 2. And if we go to the left 1, we also go up to 2. And so what that tells us is that we've expanded in the vertical direction, and you can look at that as being stretched upward or compressed horizontally, in other words, narrower. And so there we go. That's kind of our general shape. So one last thing to deal with, and that is translations. Well, there's nothing in with the x, so no horizontal translation. But we do have a vertical translation out here. So we go down by 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And so here's our new minimum point. And from there, we'll go over 1, and we have the exact same vertical expansion. That is, instead of going up 1, we go up 2. And so we see this point here went down 4, and this point here, that goes down 4, and this point here, that goes down 4. And so we're basically restructuring it at this point here. And we always want to show at least a few points that are relevant to everything here. So this one, 0 and negative 4. This one is 1 and negative 2. This one is negative 1 and negative 2. So we've got some points. And from there we can just draw, and we can consider that our sketch.